Alright guys, so I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. So here is the Nappa cabbage I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to be putting some green onions. Here is cilantro. I love cilantro. Some people think it tastes like soap. It doesn't taste like soap to me, but some people do. Here is a ground turkey. Now this is frozen. The cool thing about the Instant Pot, if you put it in an Instant Pot, it's a pressure cooker. This will cook up really quickly, even when it's frozen. So I'm going to be putting some brown rice with it, and it'll all mix in really well. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So it's all ready to go. As you can see, I fully seasoned the. This is frozen ground turkey, and then I have the vegetables, the cilantro, the green onions, the brown rice is on the bottom. So I'm going to hit the rice button. I'm going to fill up a little bit more water before I do that. So, and then hit the rice button, and then it should be all done. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, so it's all done, as you can see. So let's do a quick taste test. And it turned out okay. Probably had a little bit too much water, but it should be okay. So let's do a quick taste test here. Taste-wise, it's really good. The cilantro really comes in through. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.